Hi, how are you, frenemies? Hope you are well. How about this look today? If you want to create this beautiful look, then please watch the whole video. Let's get started. So, I've already done my skincare and now I'm going to apply my primer. Now I'm using my color corrector to hide my any redness or pigmentation or black spots or anything to make a smooth finish. Now I'm going to blend this with my clean finger. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer to cover this up. Today I'm using the concealer Tate and I'm blending it with my finger again. Then I'm using a blending sponge to make it a smooth look. Now I'm going to jump into foundation which is Fit Me. It has 18 SPF. So if you are going to attend any party or anything at daytime, you can try this because it will give you a light coverage. Applying with a foundation brush at first and then make it smooth with your beauty sponge. And now I'm using my Fenty Beauty cream contour stick. Now I'm going to apply my Tarte concealer. I didn't blend my contour at all. Why, you will see it. I'm gonna blend this now. Blending this with a concealer brush. And now put everything together and make it a smooth finish with your beauty blender. Now wear your compact powder before using your setting powder to set your makeup because it's gonna make your makeup sweat proof, smudge proof and waterproof. But I'm not going outside, so I'm gonna use my setting powder. If I go outside, then I would have preferred compact powder first and then setting powder. At first I'm setting my eyelids because I have to apply my eyeshadows to create eye look. This is because I didn't apply my eyeshadow first, so I'm going to leave this setting powder under my eyes that if any kind of excess fall off, I can dust it off with my powder and it can bake for a while as well. So the palette I'm going to use today, it is Beauty Glazed. So pretty, isn't it? It feels like the butterfly is real. You can feel it as a 3D. Feels nice. Have a look at the colors first. Look how pretty the colors. So the eye look I'm going to create today, I need some colors that matches with my sari. So 3 colors I will choose. 2 colors are dark and light and another one is glittery shiny. So at first I'm using this lightest shade to create my base. Then I'm using this dark purple starting with the outer corner, and also I'm going to apply my inner corner as well. But don't apply too much color for the first time. Just build it up slowly and make it dark as you desire. As you can see, I am done with my darker shade and I left my middle part open, like a bit not blended, because I'm going to apply my shimmery color in between. Now I'm going to apply this light purpley shade So I'm done with my second color as well. As you can see, it's all blended out and very smooth looking. So I'm going to apply shimmery color now to make my eyes shine. And look, that coppery color looks um, that matches with my dress, the design and all. So I'm gonna apply that coppery gold color. Now I'm blending my shimmery shade with the color shades that it doesn't look chunks. Pretty, right? So I'm gonna apply the eyeliner. So this is the Stamp Winged Eyeliner. This is another eyeliner. I'm gonna join my wing with this eyeliner. Now I'm going to do my lower lash eyeshadow. Firstly, I'm using the dark shade. Now I'm applying the light purpley shade. Now I'm using this one shade to lock my lower lash eyeshadow. Now I'm using this kohl. This is my favorite because of this little thingy. This is kind of little sponge. If we want a smoky or blending kohl look, then you can use it, and it's actually works. Now I'm drawing inner corner wing kind of thing because it actually makes my eyes look sharp. I'm using Benefit's brow pencil today, and before applying any brow product, please put some setting powder on your eyebrows because we are applying so many things on your face like skincare, foundation, concealer, but we are not actually setting our eyebrows, so everything is just sticking in there. So when you're drawing your eyebrows, it's gonna melt or it's kind of like smudgy. So please pat it with some setting powder to dry it out, and then it will look more smooth and it won't go anywhere. Your eyebrows product, it won't go anywhere if you apply a setting powder. Now I'm going to highlight my corner of eye. So I'm going to blend two goldish color. One is bright gold, another one is like coppery yellowish gold. Yeah, so let's see how it looks. I love the look how it turned out. So I'm actually highlighting my eyebrows as well. Now I'm dusting off my excess powder and I'm applying a blush from my Huda Beauty palette. I like this, not too vibrant, not too light, just perfect. And now I'm applying bronzer from same Huda palette. It was a combination of highlighter, bronzer and blush. So I'm using this all over me. And this is the golden highlighter from Huda palette as well. Let's shine. And then on top of that gold highlighter, I'm using Fenty Beauty Glitter Bomb highlighter. Look at the shine. So gold and then silver. It's always my thing. If you don't believe me, try it. And then let me know in the comment below. You like it or hate it? And for lips, I am using this Urban Decay lip liner to draw my outline. Then I'm going to use this brownish toned Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick. But I'm not applying it all over because I want it a bit like not too dark, not too light, just in the middle look. So I'm smudging it with my liner, lip liner, to make it even. And it creates pretty good color actually. I like it. So that's it. My makeup is done. And now